Welcome to Induvo. To start learning, you'll launch our desktop app, and from the desktop app, you'll click on the Learn option. From here, you'll see a catalog of available lessons. You can also select your learning environment or classroom. Once you've selected your desired learning environment, you can click on the Learn button to launch VR and to start learning.
What is a mass casualty incident? It's any situation where the number of sick or injured patients overwhelms the available resources. Medical resources in this situation are inadequate for the number and severity of injuries. Depending on available resources, that can be 5 victims, 50 victims, or even hundreds of victims. Mass casualty incidents are variable in cause. They can be anything from a natural disaster to an epidemic like Ebola or influenza, or a man-made incident such as a plane crash, a bus accident, or an industrial blast, or they can be an act of terrorism or war. Management of such an event requires rapid and accurate triage of patients as part of an organized response and good communication. To help organize this response, we have the 5 S's of mass casualty incident response, shown here. The first S is safety. First, you must assure that the scene is safe and that there's no ongoing threat. Always consider a chemical, biological, radiological, nuclear, or explosive incident. We abbreviate this as CBRNE. In these types of incidents, special equipment may be needed before you can encounter the patients. Specialized PPE, personal protective equipment, may be needed. In military settings, MOP gear is commonly used, but there are civilian versions of the same protective gear. In any type of incident, bloodborne pathogen protection must be used. You have to avoid contaminating yourself or other responders. The goal is to avoid becoming victims yourselves.